So what we need to do next is import our blog content. Now let's take a look at how our blog content is structured inside of our CSV import. Just like we imported our reviews and our products and our users, we also have a CSV file for our blog entries, which is kind of handy. So I'm going to jump to our resource pack directory, and under data to import, we have our blog stubs to import, and I'll open that up. It will open up in Excel if you have Excel installed, but again, this is a plain text file that you can view there as well. So we have several fields. We have a title, a stub, which is actually just a short bit of content about what the article will be eventually, but it's not the full text written out just yet. We have the author, which aligns with the username of the user that created it. We have a set of tags, which we haven't talked about yet in this series, but which will be lining up with the taxonomy features of Drupal. You can see that for these tags, sometimes there's a single tag, sometimes there's multiple tags. And then finally, we have an image field. And some of these posts have images, some of them don't. So nearly all of this we've imported before. The two new fields that we'll be dealing with for our feeds importer this time are the author. We haven't linked up an author with a piece of content yet, and also our tags. How do we deal with our tags? We're going to end up using a feeds tamper tool called Explode in order to pull in these tags as individual tag entries instead of as one long tag entry. So for example, dance, how to, and lessons here are separated with commas. If we didn't use feeds tamper, all of this would be pulled into a single tag, which isn't right. We want it to be 3 tags.